Yo, this is SK. I'm back again with another video. Please, if today is your first time watching me, I want you to go down there and subscribe to my YouTube channel. After subscribing, I want you to click on that bell icon so that anytime I post any video, you'll be able to see the video as well. You know, the world is a stage. Whatever you know, you can do it better with your mind, your heart, and with your strength. You know, today is another bonfire. We were this telecommunication network, I friend MTN. We were MTN so. Nyama bi mo koso na se ya nkasa antia sa nyama na edi ebi munya na say it's affecting other people, and whilst I affecting ebi mu na affecting me so, because I'm also on the same platform. You know, like said na the previous video na me about why mobile money agents are being killed here and there and all that. Sisi ano, the friend say Sikana made agent for and as a merchant for this business in Sikano and MTN for the business Kanimon. And at first now MTN for who started business, no. There are some things that MTN give to you, but now Sanya money in MTN and came. One, a transaction booklet, no. The digital book maybe what I say, which are we MTN transaction booklet and the say neti. Sa book we no the mawa. Uji same na say the same na mawa. Book we eka ho. Na book we mu na obetro numbers bibia. Se nipa ni send sika nipa ni sika obetro numbers no ewu. In case say nipa no ba no obeka chosu mo be send sika wa ha say. Na sika na me be send here no sika no nipa ni say ni sa anka sika na say sika na anko. Then quickly go back to the book. Just check the number and the name. What about the day any number na e dey check nipa ni so. E dey am bo ma o na any ni number me dey ma o na any ni. Say nipa ni jitum say you the same day the same thing. Now I catch any pan say and your own friend nipa na who send scanner man no checking the account and I say the balance no share say scan more than that and so nipa ni check it no he say scanner say sanity that means scanner then a coin. But see here in the case MTN for guys a book we need na then Emma. See no who share book we are book we share as in ya mobile money agent association. Mobile Money Agents Association. And as a Mobile Money Agent Association, mobile money penny fully be and a matter one boom say. Let's come together to fight against some things that is going on in this business. Mobile money now. No. Nyema bi mu a ekoso a MTN for FGT and some CC I was say ye kasa fa ho na ye nkasa emfa ho no. Nti ye umanye tipo na eko na ebeti no ye benya mpanyifo bi mo mbagina sa ko na eni na se bibi ekoso a they will speak against it. Na ekame say mpanyifo na omoto omho adi ase ho no omo ye djuma pa omo ye djuma ba edjuma no mu ye djuma no na so djuma no e wo se mu hye mu kina. Niente America say we nyina say how can you be working with 12,000 Ghana cedis yet it is 120 million who this ask we juma and the whole month no sky MTN bet ya no 150 cedis yet it is 1.5 usha we no sisie because ejuma na no ejuma no ye de yankwa na ye de ase ho so see obeti say kakra na ye say we mobile money agent we akonfa koto ahye so ama omo agini nema ebi mu ko ye timi kuma mu na agin omo sika na mu bibia dia from so nti here in the case sisi ana wo a wo de usika eye business no saa sika na eye 120 million eye 12,000 Ghana cedis na wo de ye ejuma no na sisi ya gi saa sika na free usam no that's the end of your life. Ejuma na wo ye no insurance MTN for more insurance sika na wo de ye ejuma no so akan wo say insurance no ko e wo ho a first no na ye 50-50 eye commission eye 50-50 masisi anu commission eye 50-50 eye 60-40 no eye merchant for na nipa na onu tena wia so na oye business oye mobile money na 40 ni ye ni die nipa na sika na nkasa ye ni die so akogbobusi o say obi sika o bebi onye sika ni fie de wonim eno onu na 40% eye de ekoma na MTN network no mu ya partner anase company ni ya mudi a ye ejuma e di aboa mu no sa 60% na ekoma mu na sa 60% no adent na mu my insurance e was the same amount na mu gi no ena sisi ano se sika no so cost anka e be consider ka se o after all so yanya cry a month yanya sika se 7 cedis na 8 cedis na 1,000 Ghana cedis. But here in the case say this sika be ye juma sika 12,000 Ghana cedis say 120 million be ye juma na a whole month no 1 month 150 cedis no ejuma that means for so bia ni so we be say we mre no abetena ha sifra no pack of menu na wa pon we be ko ejuma we be ko fie no sometimes sika we be ko fie ko no enso we ye juma sika we be ko fie 10 cedis. How much are you going to pay your workers? How much are you going to use to pay your electricity bill? And son assassin na we contain analysis no ahi na wo be de wo be ti assassin no and son wo be de wo be di and omo so mo ye ni ma no ahi na mo so be mo ye no mo ma na the whole month no wa be ma nipa 150 cedis week that 12,000 Ghana cedis na nipa ni ye juma no ye ka mo si ba ye ka na ebi mo bu efu. Most of the agents and as a mobile money merchant who can say we are not able or kasa say why are you talking against MTN? One kasa who nim the airport I was say yen kasa tia sanya money na MTN for ye den and solely no mu hwe bibi emfa ho na so munye bibi emfa sanya money nyina na ye ka na ebi mu omumpene na ebi mu so ya nipa say who 150 cedis na say 20 cedis no me other we you can say shop nipa no ye juma o no o see a month sky buy no sky the ye juma o sky the ye juma 5,000 plus a whole month sky buy 20 cedis commission ya tu am why ye juma o this can more than 50,000 5,000 ye juma na more than 5,000 na o the ye juma no why ye juma na a month I bet you can na ya 20 cedis no. That means ejuma na we na faso bi anya den enisu but most of the time no utna container na say utna shop na we ejuma na kofo bebre hu say oh you are making money you are doing something but here in the case merchant do na ebre but kasa on be kanu na say ebimu anya konya so mo kasa dia fasa na ma no hu so na ebimu so eyom now say MTN we shouldn't do third party transaction. And yes, so third party transaction, and then third party transaction is say, if I say, who do you seek out, but say, who send this scan at your mobile? Scanner who send your mobile. Me, woman, number, Nipana who send this scan at your man. If I say, who send this scan, your mamma, me, and that's all papa, now who buy a school. Our mammy scan Henry Cedis and Miss Anima. Scanner with your mamma, Miss Anissa Henry Cedis, and made you 1 cedi at your free. So 1 cedi na imagine any me commission. Until me just 1 cedi say me commission. See ano MTN third party transaction ye twim. Third party transaction is say see wo a wo be ma me sika no. MTN say me fa sika no ento one kasa account mo. Na wo ankasa transfer money pa na wo person transfer sika ne e fa ma no. Until your friend says who nim sa transfer na say sending of money na wo be ye who nim ye o phone so. That means me ankasa na me say be waste me time. Abraham nipa fufuru na say customer fufuru so eja ho a opese me serving no na ma waste me time. Na scanner media to nipa ni phone so na me ankasa me smasa send wo nipa ni phone so dey ma wo ba. Nti e ba sa scanner mes wo be send wo phone so no de o meti no omuti a enko wo account mo e ko MTN for account mo Nti that means who ye juma omo ye omo making money. Who come see we do more transfer, but rather we don't do deposit. Here in the case they be a deposit. The deposit, but deposit na we don't pay much or we don't get the amount of money that the merchants have to get. Into this I see the third party transaction but yes kind of juma into who bash over deposit and catch us a mini e-casha. There's no way I'm waiting for me because MTN for air place some kind of smart way be our merchant for so also say call Facebook our way mobile money agent association now call Facebook or mobile page now for papa who share the kind of message for any or yawa for FM ya me post this we message no and I say ni omo kan me post our video we ni link no na wan kasa wa ko check no hu nyama e koso e wo MTN and I say merchant for or how omo ye de omo film merchant for and build the MTN network mobile money no but see ano eni mo ayejuma see ano those things no those benefit na was say merchant for any free MTN for hon see am what trust anya mani nyinamu ama see merchant for the air bre I was say MTN for solid na ho no mo ye bibi ba mo nya hwe emfa ho nti ene obeti aye se yakokum we yakoji we nsika see we na say rise na na the air rising Sima ye di ye juma over 5 years ndi edin a ewo chip no so no edin no enye udi o request say o person wo mu fa wan kasa udi to so a omo ye juma ye supervisors na omo wo area na omo ye side juma no over 5 years ni they don't do anything about it because for merchant most of the merchants edin a wo omo merchant sim no so no enye omo an kasa omo di and who can you catch yourself fill this form no more form who form now fill it form no we are sometimes no ombeji form no so no na dani asem catch yourself at office who the call office so near obeji form no catch yourself this nipa na nkasa ba ebeji form na nsa no betime bibia found into hwe na nye here then you are just doing your work just like that nti nema bi mo course wo say MTN for and I say penifo amu Ghana has and I said association no muhwe na penifo musumu sole na mu kasa fa sane mani nyina emaye ba aka MTN mobile money e ba bejai there was a merchant I work Ghana nyina mu ka mo jimbu mbako na se beya obi anja mobile money to say 1 week na mu hwe crisis I be sole and I said ohawa akofo be frame Ghana has se ade obi ahun nti ube hu subscribers na omo be catch omo say oh woni pano don't send the money but rather deposit the money into your account and send oh send here oh nya hwe wo so ana merchant na onu so ye no onu so onya hwe awo so nti why say wo mboa wo nia na wo nia so nya the enkoso na wo nia so ye the emboa nti nipa ne ba o say o ye deposit na the two na account ma no no anka so ye the wa send nti o send na sika na e go wrong way after not the blame and that's a problems no bro so oh me patcho ma saying scammer we na scanner call wrong my wrong transaction to person on boa me but kai hu say scanner wo send wo wan kasa personal phone so e dia money pa no so we are wrong transaction na and that's a wrong transfer na who free office na sometimes no ofre no be fresh and send on be de on be pick it yesre empanifo a omuwo ekonomu kasa emaye na MTN for so munye bibi fa ho but commission mu tia no commission very very poor and very bad munye hu bibi maye na ye bre aka e be je adwuma no because who ntimi fa wo sika 12,000 Ghana cedis and share mobile money business no na a whole month na at 200 cedis 150 cedis I am very poor. I bet me link video and I say audio and I say we a message now. Kofobimo post here our group name. I will link everything here for you to see what is going on in MTN mobile money. They are sucking our blood. Ube solia humachi 4 5 no abeye juma kopim 6 5 we 7 8 no upon akofi. Now we say oh at least in a month no obra wa bra ni nyina obanya wie free mu ade ebeba no peanut ade beba no na ya tia 100 cedis 150 cedis 200 cedis we juma na munya musika yo se mu famboa na mu di sponsor niam bi mu a mu ebe benefit mu yesre munye bibi emfa niam we huma ye na ye bre network ni nyina ye Vodafone pe and omo insurance eba omo customers and Vodafone they think about their subscribers and their agents as well. MTN you can say Vodafone insurance the man agent and as I say or see who subscriber no who nya agent no who send sika free so who call yi sika merchant and as agent when na two that means sika no mutu and no mu be tia agent nika but free who send sika. These are some of the benefits that MTN have to give his customers and as people that are working with. But mu ma esan yama ni nyina na yembo ye bre. Nti yesre munye bibi enfa homaye. Munye bibi enfa homaye. That was the video so I share video. Make sure so be share link we and so be share video e dey ama kofo bebre na mo so be hu dey e koso e business no. Sometimes obi hu say wo ye mo ba money na omo dwen say bia wo scammer. Ba kan mo say scanner wo dey obi sika ana say sika wo dey ejuma nti obi ba na o say you this amount na wo use scanner na obi odine chi no say oh before you do no scanner nye ni nyina na ye sika sometimes we be call banks wo bi ba say o person mo cash ana so mo o here scanner mo na sa scanner bank ni di ma na kofo be to ahye so no mu di sa scanner wo kwa konya sa scanner na wo di atia nti yesre munye bibi amfama wo a sabe ka video yi bia mesre so be share video no be share video e dia mai that was me so I share mesre so say any first time I will share video ya wo be subscribe na wa like it wo like ya na wa share e dia mai na me share video